Hey! Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back our L3 Try channel. Today, let's talk about the all intelligent flight modes on the Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. The Follow Me mode on the Hubsan Zino 2 Plus, they have two options, active tracking and the Follow Me. For the active tracking, you can draw your target on your phone FPV screen. Then the drone will auto following and video shoot on your target. This mode you can use in when you are walking around the garden. Yeah, in the nice place, the drone will automatic to follow your step and video shoot the nice view. And for the Follow Me, so for the Follow Me, it is follow your phone GPS coordinate. So please make sure your phone is in good GPS condition. This mode you can use it to following by a car or the motorbikes. Orbi mode, it is surrounding your target in the center. It's very easy. You can just set the current radius, the altitude and the drone speed. And also you can set your transmitter as the center point too. Look at the video. It's very nice, right? I love this video. They have 4 options in the creative video. First, fly to sky. Yeah. So fly to sky is like the rocket shoot in the sky. The view is 90 degrees down to your target. Second, 360 video shooting. 360 video shooting, it is the drone will turn around the 360 degree to shooting the surrounding view. Third is Comet. Comet, it is like the active tracking plus Orbi mode. It will following your target and the drone will turn around like the orbit, keep following your target to your video shooting. And the last, Drone. Drone is a fly to backward on your target. You can set the distance and the altitude. This you can use it on when you are in the bridge, like the video. For the hyperlapse mode, you can shoot on the freestyle and circle. What means is a freestyle? Freestyle is under control by you. So when it's in the hyperlapse mode, for the freestyle, you can control the drone to fly anywhere in the hyperlapse mode. For the circle, the drone will auto turn like a clockwise or counterclockwise. Line fly mode can be set at any direction to let the drone fly. So you just need set the direction, the distance, the altitude and the drone speed. It is very easy to complete your shooting. Waypoint mission. This is a very easy mode and is my favorite mode. You just tap the waypoint on the map. Then the drone will follow the waypoint to complete the all mission as I tap. It's very intelligent, like the autopilot. Panoramic is the photo mode. It can be take 4 types of photo. Sphere, 180 degree, vertical, and the last horizontal. Finally, this is the last thing, live mode. Yes, you can on live in your Facebook account or your YouTube channel. It is live your FPV screen. It can be recording the audio too. It is very easy to share out the video to your friends. So this is all the intelligent flight mode on the Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. If you ask me, is worth to buy on this model? Yes, because the price is not very expensive and there are a lot of the intelligent flight mode to you play. And also you have the 4K 60 fps camera. The maximum distance is 9 km and the maximum flight time is 35 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Goodbye.